Adding a Python interpreter in Visual Studio Code is essential for running Python scripts and accessing Python-specific features. Here's a step-by-step guide. Install Python extension. Open VS Code. Go to the extensions view by clicking the square icon on the sidebar or pressing Ctrl+Shift+X. Search for Python and install the official extension by Microsoft. Install Python. Ensure you have Python installed on your system. If not, download and install it from python.org. Open Command Palette. Press Ctrl+Shift+P to open the command palette. Select Python Interpreter. In the command palette, type Python, select Interpreter, and select it from the drop-down. Choose Interpreter. A list of available Python interpreters will appear. This list includes all Python installations and virtual environments detected by VS Code. Select the interpreter you want to use. If you don't see your desired interpreter, you may need to add it manually by specifying the path. Verify interpreter. Open a Python file or create a new one. You should see the selected interpreter displayed in the status bar at the bottom left of the VS Code window. Set interpreter for workspace. To set the interpreter for your entire workspace, open the command palette, type Preferences, open Workspace Settings, and add or modify the python.python path setting to point to your desired interpreter.